Hello student, welcome, and today's video we're looking at biology paper 1, and we are going to be looking at biostatistics, life statistics. And it's surprising that many students are afraid of this part of the biology, and unfortunately I will not be spending much time to explain how the answer was gotten. I'm only utilizing the IJMB study pack, which I encourage every student to check my description, get the study pack, and get themselves ready for the upcoming examination. Also, please subscribe. No, please subscribe. It's not making sense. Today I was checking my analytics and I saw that I got 10,200 and something views, and I had only 203 subscribers. It's not encouraging. It will not enable you to give access to other IJMB students to access the work. Please encourage me by subscribing. It costs a lot, and it's demanding, and there is no finance anywhere. I just have to take from my resources to sacrifice my time to do this. Please do pay me back by subscribing. Please remain blessed. So I'll be using the study pack, which I encourage students to get. Inside the study pack you will have a lot of things here, all what you need to get yourself, all what you need, all with IJMB node, physics node, chemical, UPAC nomenclature. All is straight to the point. Nobody is boring you with any plenty write up. It's just what is going to get you ready for your examination. So here we have the study pack, and what I'll be doing here, I'll only be scrolling through the answers. Your own is to pause the video, write it down, and I believe as you write it down and you see the process, you have an understanding. But if at the end of everything you couldn't find an understanding to it, go to the comment section, comment and tell me that, sir, I could not get an understanding to this. Please, can you repeat or make another video explaining how the answers was got to? This is calculation, it's statistics, so I could understand. I could relate that to physics, of which I understand you need an explanation. Well, the study pack, some of the parts, most of the 99% had an explanation to it. That's why I call it a study pack, had an explanation to the solution. Unlike the handwritten one, there were no much explanation, and this is what I had in the statistics. So I just had to just go through it and answer it, drew the pie chart, and also bring it to your own face. I had intention not to release the pie chart, and so that I can engage students to do that, but I said let me just release it. Please tell me what you feel in the comment section, and also please subscribe, and have a nice day. If you couldn't get an understanding, please comment. I'll do well to give an explanation back to remake the video. So have a nice day, and also check the description, subscribe, get the study pack, and also feel free to follow me on Facebook and other students on Facebook. Feel free to join other students on WhatsApp so that you can interchange your knowledge and wealth of understanding, so that you can enrich yourself and get yourself ready for your examination. Thank you so much. In this 2025, I have come up with an amazing package known as the IJMB Study Pack 2025. Inside the study pack, we have amazing and interesting materials that will level you up for your upcoming examination, ranging from the AZ IUPAC nomenclature, a complete guide that will get you stand out when attempting organic chemistry. I have interesting past questions ranging from 2021, 2023 down to 2025 to 2024, and series of question and answer completely solved and explained, level up to meet up your demand for 2025. IJMB 2024 question, chemistry, physics, biology, completely solved with full explanation to meet your requirement. It's a study pack. Also have past questions for you, series of past questions, and best, my note is made available for you, self-explanatory on mechanics ranging from measurement and dimension, motion, projectile motion, circular motion, momentum, work power and energy, gravitational field, elasticity, surface tension, fluid motion, vibrations and wave, Doppler effect. You will not love to miss out this amazing opportunity. So I encourage you to subscribe, check the description and reach out to me to get your IJMB 2025 study pack.